So what you cap everybody and welcome back to Kev's Kitchen. Head chef, the wife.
Hello
Oh, hello again.
ค่ะสวัสดีค่ะ
Okay, tonight in the menu we have PAAP. We have PAAP BOAP Sii Kii.
ใส่ไข่
Sii Kii, got taught.
ผัดบวบใส่ไข่
There we go, that's it. And we have oyster sauce, we have soy sauce, we have vegetable oil, we have coconut sugar, and the wife is 1 spoonful of vegetable oil which goes into the pan, which is currently in the pan heating up, 2 tablespoonfuls of oyster sauce, and 3 soy sauce, and this is stock cube what we have at home, and it is pork flavored stock cube, 1 scoop or half a stock cube, 1 egg, garlic and onion, and this amount of coconut sugar.
yeah. โอเค step
Okay, now I need to get this gimbal sorted and out of focus. Okay, so while that's cooking, we're just stirring. Very rough camera work by myself, I do apologise. Just turn the temperature down now. And then we add fire it all onto the dish. Just fire it all in there and stir it. Hence the name stir fry.
warm water
And we just wash this dish with warm water,
นิดหน่อย
so we're not wasting any of the good ingredients. To be right, it should be me doing this here, as the wife is heavily pregnant, but she insisted to be the cook, and I feel I have no choice but to do camera. Now we crack the egg. Look at that there, professionally cracked. No, not a shell inside. That was me, half the shell of the all over the place. And the wife accidentally turned the gas off, but that's okay. At home we don't normally put eggs into stir fries, but we're not at home. And this dish is normally served with no peppers, but again, when in Thailand, get the peppers on there. Get her spicy. Nicey, nicey. Oh man, I have to be the guinea pig.
ใช่เชฟ โอเค อร่อย
Okay, where am I? And I need to get this. Okay. Very quick dish to make. It smells absolutely amazing. And is any more to add? And that is it. Finished. And of course, a Thai dish wouldn't be a Thai dish without some ginkgo, some cooked rice. And I think that's us ready to serve. Okay, so there we go, the finished product. There you have it, folks. 1 cooked, you say. PAAP PAAP BOAP.
ผัดบวบใส่ไข่
I will find out the English for that and have the ingredients and the real name for the vegetable thing. I don't know what PAAP BOAP. I know one thing, it smells good and I'm looking forward to eating it. So stay tuned and hopefully we get another cook ready recipe in before the wife gives birth, or else I'm stuck to the pot noodles. Boom. Okay, guinea pig me. Let's try some of this stuff out. Cow. A wee bit of red pepper on there just for the kick. Mmm. Mmm. Tastes like mushrooms. Definitely very nice. Tastes very healthy. Mmm. Alright, Mark, when the wife does it again. Ready, Cap?